Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and download games using the Steam mobile application. Super easy. First of all, open your Steam application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner and click on Store. From the store menu, you can go ahead and search through specials, new release and other categories. I'm gonna tap on new release and from the list, go ahead and find the game you want to download or buy. Once you find the game, tap on the game to view its price, system requirement, description and user reviews. Now, once you find the game, go ahead and click on the Add to Cart button wherever you see it. Now, click on View My Cart and once you get to your shopping cart, look for the Continue to Payment button and tap on it. Now complete the checkout process by following through the prompts. In the payment method field, go ahead and select one of your payment method you would like to use for the payment of the game. Select your preferred method from the list available. You can choose PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, etc. After making a selection, if you want to save your payment information so that checkout is easy next time, check on this little text box at the bottom. Finally, click on Continue and then follow through the instructions. You can then enter your credential for the payment method that you've chosen. Since I've chosen PayPal, I'm gonna have to tap Continue and log in using the PayPal account credentials. Type down your email address or phone number associated with PayPal and then enter your password on the next page. After you have your correct credential, you will then be able to pay for your game. After the game has been paid for, you can easily install the game on your device. If you are away from your PC, you can use Steam Mobile to remotely trigger an installation. This will send the game to start downloading on your home PC as well. And that's it. That's how you can download and buy a game on Steam via your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.